And the one that I love the most among all these, my favorite, is live training slash classes, live classes of live training. So what it is basically conducting live training over the internet, such as workshops, coaching, even doing webinars, or even doing a seminar like what we're doing right now. The virtual summit is live training. So not just workshops, but an entire event can now be on the internet. Right now is the best time to get onto live training. So anyway, let me explain to you where this opportunity comes in. The opportunity. Offline events are no longer applicable during the pandemic. Therefore, the demand for online has increased. It's not applicable anymore. Even if government doesn't put any restriction or lockdowns and so on. I mean, do you want to go in a room packed with 50 people for a workshop or 200 people for a seminar and sit, even though you have social distancing, but sit inside the room for 8 hours together, breathing the same air for 2 days? Even without the rules by government, I'm not going into a room with 200 people and stay there for like 2 days in an AC room, air-conditioned room, sharing the same air for 2 days. You see where I'm coming from? So it's gone. I'm telling you, offline events are gone. Even seminar organizers who are doing seminars in the past, they have already, I would say, improvised their strategy and realized that that's it. They can't wait anymore. This is not ending. And now they are now doing virtual events and so on, right? Of course, they could struggle a bit because the landscape has changed. You don't need seminar organizers anymore. If you are trained with my expertise, right, you could be doing your own events. I mean, why would you need someone to promote for you when they are just promoting online? Just like how you can be promoting online if you're trained by me and learn the same strategies and so on to do that. So let me share with you the strategy. There are two ways of how you do this. It's either free short workshop or class similar to this, but you deliver real content, real value, right? Are you all learning good stuff right now? Anyway, the strategy is this. You can do a short training like this, okay? And it can be free, like what I did, free. And if you don't have anything to sell, what you can do is you can find someone who has something for sale, but they don't know how to sell, right? So for instance, there could be other products out there. Like for instance, let's say, I'm just making this up, right? Someone is trying to sell real estate properties, right? But they do not know how to go live, right? And you can be the person who go live and teach and then say, hey, if you want to buy property, you can buy here. And then you take a cut for commissions, right? Or the other version is to do paid long duration training. So like for instance, the virtual summit, it is not free, it's a paid event because we have to put so much work and resources and so on to actually do it for our attendees. So you can just charge if you're doing a long duration training. And the reason why we charge and we don't do it for free, because we want to deliver. It's pretty obvious, right? I mean, if we do it for free and we don't make money, it's impossible to deliver good value. It's impossible to deliver content, right? But when we charge a very minimal fee, right, where we can still make fairly some income, make the company profitable, and then we can now focus on delivering value. Does that make sense? Anyway, I hope that this has been valuable for you and you can use any of these for you to do something during this period and turn this into profitable months for you. All right.